Hey everybody, welcome. Hope you're doing great. Just want to give you a quick update on the learnmbira.com website. The front page is still a mess and useless, so everything is back in right now. If you're a patron, you have your login, and if you are a Zimbabwean, you are welcome to register for free. I'll have the registration link below in a comment or within this. So yeah, as of today, there are now 34 lessons on there. Today I added a few more Dande lessons, more advanced and intermediate stuff. And these are on mavembe tuned mbira. I added a hosho lesson, and then of course, so now we have the full Nemam Sasa beginner series, about half of the Karigomombe beginner series. That is, I think, about 28 or 29 of those lessons, and then 3 or 4 or 5 Dande lessons in the hosho. So every day I'm adding more. There are still hundreds to come. But yeah, if you are a patron and you try and access some of these videos on Patreon, you're going to get an error and not going to be able to see the video because you now need to log into the learnmbira.com website, and you will increasingly be seeing that as I migrate these from Patreon. If you're a Zimbabwean, sign up for free, and if you want to join, go over to patreon.com/mbira and join. It's $20 a month, and you get access to over 600 hours of mbira lessons that I've been making for the last 6.5 years here. I've been teaching mbira for 30 years, but been doing Patreon for about 6.5 years now. So yeah, join over at patreon.com. I do offer subsidized pricing, but I'm trying to discourage that now that I'm offering free lessons to Zimbabweans. On Patreon, I had to do it subsidized because they didn't allow me to do a free tier, which was why I did this migration anyway, because I want Zimbabweans to be able to learn it for free. But as not a consequence, but I'm open. Other folks that are able to pay the normal price if they can, which is $20 a month. Again, for over 600 hours of content, I think it's certainly well worth it. It's definitely, if you ever try and go and just have a single private lesson, I know here in Austin, a single private lesson is $100 an hour. So for the equivalent of, what is that, 12 minutes of a single private lesson, 12 minutes a month, which is the equivalent of $20 a month, you're able to access 600 hours every month. All right. Anyway, that's enough for the spiel. I should have the link to the Zimbabwean sign-up form on here, and I'll put a link to Patreon as well to sign up. And to all you current patrons, thank you so much for your support. Love y'all. Bye.